Been doing siding about 20 to 24, 25 years. Currently been with Lindus a little over 5 years. This is the second time back. Lindus actually is who I started with and taught me how to side, and I came back. They say everybody comes back, so that's kind of cool. Great compliment to their company and everything. This project that we're doing a couple different unique things. We're doing Versetta stone, we're doing LP shakes, and we're doing LP lap siding, along with LP trimmer on the windows.
I like working with the LP because it's a cool material just from how it's made, and it's really interesting to put up. It goes up real slick and it looks really nice when it's done.